Hi, Ben with Ben Stout Construction. We're here at 2620 Owen Drive. Behind us you'll see is a 2,800 square foot medical center that's going to be in urgent care called Hanora Medical Center. They're relocating to this building. Before it was a hair salon, so you can imagine what we started with and what you'll see now is quite a dramatic change. So we're excited to go inside and take a look at it. So now that we're inside, before this was a hair salon, so it was just a totally open space. Downstairs is about 2,300 square feet. What we have now is going to be the foyer area, so behind us is the reception area. This will be where the patients gather before they go to the back. And then behind us we have 3 lab rooms. We also have some additional spaces to our left there for offices, and upstairs will be the doctor's office as well as his office staff will be upstairs. So big transformations taking place. Where we're at now with the project is kind of on the back side of it. We have a lot of our inspections that have already taken place, and we're looking now to do our finish schedule. So we're excited about putting some tile down. We got some LVT, some heat welded vinyl. So a lot of different materials going on. So the finished product is going to look amazing, and we're excited to show that to you. So we're inside of the typical treatment room. What we have here is some custom cabinets, also solid surface tops for this type of medical facility. We don't have any place where germs can get captured. And then over here is kind of the doctor's workspace. Once they've had a chance to talk to the patient, they can go take their notes. Again, where we're at, we have a little bit of work left to do here. We have some acoustical ceiling. All the lights are LED, so we have some high efficiency lights going on here that also have some cost savings. And then the flooring will be a heat welded vinyl. Again, no seams, don't want any place where germs can get captured. So I would say this is what we call a typical exam room for this project. And we're looking forward to finishing it up and then again showing y'all what the finished product looks like. So we have about 3 to 4 weeks left on this project. We're excited to get this thing wrapped up here by the end of the month. The doctor's excited about having more space to give his patients better care and have space to grow. And we're excited about finishing the project up for him. So check back with us. We'll have some more video of the finished product. And I think what you'll see is going to be impressive, and we're excited to show it to you.